In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that you can implement today and start making money online promoting Clickbank products. As you can see right on my screen, this is a niche that I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars every single day promoting this niche right here, because this niche right here is most popular in United States, and I'm going to show you how you can start making money right here. Okay, as you can see right on Google Trends right here, I typed in how to fix credit. So basically a lot of people in the United States are looking for how to fix their credit score. Okay, so if you type that on Google Trends right here, you can see this search term is getting a lot of traffic lately. And also looking at this graph right here, you can see the line is protruding upward, which means a lot of people are currently looking for how to fix their credit score. So basically what you want to do from here, like I said, this niche right here is most popular in the United States, which means majority of people who are interested in this niche are from the US. So now you want to go over to clickbank.com. So once you come over to Clickbank, you want to go over to the marketplace section and you want to scroll down to this section that says self-help, and then you want to scroll to personal finance. All right, so once you click on this category right here, you're going to see a bunch of products that are related to fixing credit score. Okay, as you can see, this product right here, Credit Repair Magic, and you are going to get paid $49.55 just to help people get into this program that is going to help them repair their credit score. And like I said, a lot of people are looking to fix their credit score problem. So this product here goes hand in hand with this niche right here. What you want to do from here, you want to click on this promote button right here and you want to click on create uplinks. And once you paste that link in a new tab, you can see the sales page of this product right here. You can see this is the person who is going to explain the details and what this product is all about. All right, you can see right here, Credit Repair Magic will fix your credit faster than any other credit repair system at any price. And you can see right here, they have a guarantee right here, which is going to boost the chances of people buying this product right here. Okay, so all they just need to do is click on this get instant access now, and they get access to the product and you make $49. Literally all you need is 2 sales every single day to make money. And I'm going to show you how to drive laser targeted traffic to this product right here, literally finding people who are interested in this niche and making money recommending this product to those people. Okay, so the next step you want to do right here, you want to go over to Google and you want to type in best ways to fix credit. So you want to give value to people upfront if you want them to buy anything from you. So basically you want to look for best ways to fix credit, and you are going to see a lot of articles right here that talk about fixing credit. Okay, the next step you want to do from here, you want to go over to Google Docs and you want to create a new document, as you can see right here, how to improve your credit score. And now you are going to give some tips on how they can do that, and here you are going to paste in your Clickbank affiliate link right here. As you can see right here, number 1 recommendation available here, limited time offer. So once you have done that, all you just need to do is click on this share button right here. And once you do that, you want to click on this restricted and you want to change it to anyone with the link. So once that is done, all you just need to do is click on copy. And if I paste that in a new tab right here, as you can see, this is the document right here. So the next thing you want to do is very simple. You want to go over to Google and you want to type this on the Google search bar. As you can see right here, site www.quora.com and how to fix credit. So basically you can use this template for any niche of your choice. You don't have to use only the credit score niche. As you can see right here, there are other categories that you can replicate this same process on. You can see the health and fitness niche right here, home and garden, and basically if you come over here, you can see the internet marketing and e-business right here. So all you just need to do is look for any product in this category right here and you can replicate the same process right here. So all you just need to do is type in a keyword right here that is related to that niche, and you are going to see a lot of questions on Quora that are related to this niche right here. So basically if you type this on Google, it's going to show you only questions that are related to these keywords on Quora. All right, and it's going to only show you Quora result as well. As you can see right here, it has filtered the search result to only 232 results. As you can see right here, this question has only 5 answers, which means you have a lot of chances of getting your answer seen. As you can see right here, you can see this is another question right here that has only 2 answers. So you can go over to answer this question right here. So all you just need to do, once you've copied the link to this document right here, you are going to share this link in your answer. All right, so basically, like I said, you are giving value because you are giving them tips on how to fix their credit score, and you are recommending a product right here. So basically, that is all you have to do for all of these questions right here on this page. Okay, so you have to comb through all of these questions right here, and you want to answer the question. So another website you can use right here is Reddit. So basically, you can come over here and type in and change this Quora to Reddit. So if you type that, you are going to see right here only 362 search results right here. You can see this is another person asking this question right here. So basically, you can see this one right here 2 days ago. So basically, all you just need to do, like I said, you want to answer this question and share this document on your answer. And once they click on the link, I can guarantee you that some of the people who click on this link are going to purchase this product. So basically, that is how simple and easy you can take advantage of Reddit and Quora to get people to purchase any product on Clickbank. And now I'm going to show you a bonus method you can use. If you come over to Twitter and you can type in this phrase right here with this quotation mark, you can see this is someone who is asking how to fix credit right here. So basically, like I said, all you just need to do is reply this tweet right here, leaving a link to this document right here. Anyone who searches for this keyword on Twitter as well, they are going to see this tweet and they are going to go to the comment section of this tweet. And once they click on your link as well, you are getting a lot of traffic to this page that way. Another thing you can do is by creating a Twitter account and making a tweet, and you want to go over to this website called writetag.com and you want to type in credit in this search bar right here. And once you do that, as you can see right here, these are related hashtag to this keyword right here. And also you can see these are the people who see these hashtags every hour on Twitter. You can see the number of retweets every hour on Twitter. You can see the number of impressions it gets every hour if you use the hashtag credit on your tweet. You can see these are hashtags that are related to the keyword credit. You can see this one right here, credit score. You can see right here, credit card, and you can see card. So basically, you can imagine the number of people who gets to see your tweets every single hour on Twitter. So basically, all you just need to do is make a tweet and you want to leave a link to this document right here. And like I said, some of the people who click on this page are going to buy this product because they are already interested in this niche. All right, so basically, if you combine Twitter and using Reddit and Quora, you are going to make money promoting Clickbank products every single day as long as you take action. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.